Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable crypto on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to create an account. And as you can see, you can already start trading crypto here in the regular Robinhood account. And basically, you can find this amount of crypto. And as you can see, this list of the tradable crypto that you can find here. And if we click, for example, on the Bitcoin and you want to trade it, you will be needing to have a crypto account. And either you can start trading, and if you trade the Bitcoin, you will be able to uh, take you to the crypto account. And of course, depends either you are using the web app or you are using the mobile app. So basically now you can just go to crypto and you can, for example, add it so you can start trading it. After that, it will either require you to go to the Robinhood crypto or you can by yourself just go to the Robinhood crypto and from there you will click either continue or sign up so you can have your crypto account. And I'm just going to click on continue. And basically now you will need to sign in up so you can have your Robinhood crypto or you can just log in with your account, of course. So as you can see, you can just scan this QR and you will be able to download the Robinhood crypto app and you can find this also in your store or mobile store. So basically we can just go from here. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and you will find your Robinhood wallet and you can have your crypto stored there. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.